Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, with other ogbonge people, wey be former Deputy Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, and member wey dey represent Akoko-edo Constituency 1, Right Honorable Yekini Idiaye, Honorable Donald Okogbe, PDP Senatorial Leader Chief Okomayi, amongst others, don tanda to witness the conferment of the chieftaincy title of High Chief Ogbapolopoponase, Bragada 1 of Akoko-edo land, where Igbo they call the one who makes a wide road for the public, for Honorable Marvelous Omobayo. Oga Shaibu can describe Honorable Marvelous Omobayo as connector between all, sake of say all the political parties tanda for an event and pray for Marvelous say the chieftaincy go be the beginning of in progress. Shaibu Konsi talk say he bring good news from the government to them on behalf of his senior brother and boss, Governor Godwin Obaseki.
Our son, in whom we are well pleased, is a connector, and that is why all of us are here. You can see all the political parties are here. So we want to congratulate you and Madam. We congratulate you for taking care of him. Because they said beside now, not be behind again. Beside a successful man and a growing young man, there is a woman. So Madam, we want to thank you for taking care of him and for managing him, because our wives, they are the manager of all of us. But the chieftaincy and the union with your wife and your family, because everything that we want to be starts from the family. We pray that God continue to keep you, keep your family, and that this chieftaincy now beginning of progress. Not be the last of his progress, beginning of his progress. And you can continue to grow from strength to strength, growing to grow. Of the good people of Akoko-edo, I thank all of you. On behalf of my senior brother and boss, the governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, I bring the good news of government to all of you. And by the grace of God, we want to continue to thank you now. Because each time we will come to now, they take care of us. If not be now, I'm going to be deputy governor now. Obaseki will be governor. So in say make I thank you now, and on behalf of all of our wedding government, we thank you now.
Honorable Marvelous Omobayo, wey come be the new high chief, can talk say na sake of the good observation from people join the belief on the prosperity of youth growth and development, na im make the 10 clans wey make Akoko-edo local government fit gather for im conferment.
As you can see, the entire 10 clan heads that make up the entire local government are here to confer on my humble self a high chieftaincy title. It was born out of their observation over a period of time. They say, I have not said so, they say about the highest employer of labor to come out of Akoko-edo, that I believe in youth prosperity, and how we even generate this job, I don't know. Most of them are not even my personal jobs, but I have a knack for growth. I have a knack for development, and I want to thank the Deputy Governor for gracing this very event. I say thank you, and God bless.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Akoko-edo, Balumi Mukoro, TMT TV News.